How to change your Instagram picture after posting. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your Instagram picture after posting it. First of all, launch your Instagram application and then go to your profile and see any post that you've already posted. So after you see the post that you've already posted and you want to change it, let's see if the option is available right here. You can share it to Facebook as well, archive it, hide the kind, and while you edit it, you can just add the caption and not change the photo. You can add location and add the caption and hashtags, but you cannot add the location right here. So adding the new photo after posting it is not possible in Instagram since it does not allow us with this feature right here. So what you can do is simply archive it and then go on the plus icon and add the new post once again. So that's how you can solve it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.